Hi guys, we are here again. Now we're going to be working on STEAM. Yay! Okay, this time STEAM subjects, as you can see, it's very ecological, Earth and humans. Okay, we're going to see a lot of things about how we're using our resources. You will learn a lot of fun things, and I think this will be fun for you. Okay, so what do you use every day? So we have a video. Those are solar panels, okay? They pick up the energy from the sun. Those move with the wind and produce energy, electricity. We can also use water for it when water falls. Gas, we produce energy with gas. Gasoline, we also get energy from gasoline and oils. Metals, electricity. Those are wires for electricity. Plants, more plants. Forest, very important for us. Fruit, vegetables.
Happy to learn.
Okay, so what's the point of all this? How do you use it? Okay, so you are going to work alone, remember, sorry. Look at the pictures. What do you see? Talk about each picture with your partner, then write a brief description of the lines, okay? So, describe the picture. What do you see? One sentence description, okay? One sentence description. Remember, if it's a description, you have to tell me how does it look. It's not just to tell me, oh yes, it's a wire. No, tell me how it looks, okay? How it looks, what is it? Okay, describe it. This is very easy, so it's just one sentence describing the image. What's this for? So you can identify everything, okay? You have two more. Okay. Say, circle the pictures. They show resources that can't be renewed easily, which means that once you use them, you will not get them back. Discuss the following questions with your partner. What do you think life would be like if we didn't have the resources you circle? Okay, I do want you to answer this question. You don't have a space here, so you have to write it on your spare pages or on your notebook. But it's important. What do you think will happen if we no longer have something from here? Remember, you are going to circle the one that you think cannot be renewed, which means that once you use it, you will not get more because you have used it. What will happen when we no longer have it? And then we got to the vocabulary part. Okay, I'm going to put the tape so you can listen to the words. And remember, the point is to listen. Natural resources, materials of substances found on nature, like trees, earth, water. Renewable, something that can be easily replaced. For example, can you replace a tree? Okay, maybe you can plant one or two more. Can you replace the water? How? Non-renewable, something that can't be replaced. So, once you use the gasoline, it comes from oils from deep down in the earth. So, once you use that one, there is no more because it takes millions of years to make in nature. Supply, the amount of a resource. For example, right now, your supplies. How much food do you have in your cupboard? How much water do you have available for you? That's the supply, okay? For example, I can tell you I have like 3 kilograms of cat food. Speaking of cat, I have around 10 cans of tuna. Okay, so that's my supply. It's just an example, I'm not giving you everything. Fossil fuels, natural gas, petroleum and coal, which are burned for their energy, okay? Petroleum is the one we use for gasoline and some plastics. Gasoline, a fossil fuel that powers cars. You know what it is. Metal ores, rocks that contain useful metals. So all of the metals, before they are metals, they are these. You find them in mines. That's the metal ore. So if you want iron, first you find it like this. You have to take the iron out of the rock. The same goes for copper, silver, and gold. You find them like this. You have to take out the metal from the ore. Soil, the upper layer of the earth where plants grow. Okay, we know what soil. Some of you play with it. Groundwater, water found in rocks underground are used for drinking. A long time ago they used wells and only wells. Today we still have wells, but they are bigger and they are proper, so the water can go to your faucet in your kitchen or in your bathroom. Okay, but this is a well and it's taking out groundwater. And land, parts of the air where humans can live. Okay, now once you have gotten the hang of the words, you're going to write. What was your favorite nursery rhyme? Nursery rhyme like the songs your mom sings to you to sleep when you were a baby? Do you remember it? Change one of the verses to include at least 2 vocabulary words. You're going to change the words in the rhyme to include your vocabulary words. The verse should still make sense. Write it below and be ready to share it with the class. Well, if you want to share it, you can make a video. If you don't want to share it, don't share it, don't worry. Okay? So, once you have done this activity, on the guide, I gave you this exercise. Okay? These are the words that you have on page 131 of STEAM. Okay? They are scrambled. Alurtan Rososusrekre. Okay? Weranege. What do you have to do? In your pages or your notebook, copy. It's very important for you to copy. Okay? You have to copy this. And then here you are going to unscramble the word. Which of these words are they? Okay? You have to check. Once you have unscrambled them, make a drawing of each one. So you unscramble and make a drawing. Unscramble, make a drawing. Okay? The point of this is for you to get familiar with the vocabulary words we are going to be using. And that's it for STEAM. Have a great day and see you next video.